Welcome back, everyone. We're on day 22 today. This is an upper body workout day. Let's just start with bringing the arms back and forth. So ideally do a warm up before, and we're just gonna stretch the arms back. Let's just do that 2 more times. And then let's bring the arms up overhead. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. So having a light set of weights and a heavier set of weights would be ideal for today. And 1 more time. Excellent. Let's just move the feet back and forth just to warm up the body a little bit. Bring the arms into a bicep curl. So you're here again, and that is great. We're on our last week. So as I said yesterday, you can repeat this week, week after week, to get stronger and just increase the amount of repetitions that you do, or increase the amount of weight. Okay, let's get started. Let's get onto the floor. So we are starting with the floor. You can do these exercises standing as well, or using the wall. So for the first one, we're going to do the version of the Superman or bird dog, where you're holding onto the chair. So for those who are standing, you're doing the Superman, where you just bring one arm up and one leg back, trying to keep your body in a fairly straight line, and then switching to the other side. For those of us on the floor, let's get onto the floor. I'll grab the phone because we'll be doing the timer for the plank after. So for those on the floor, if you want, you can put a mat or a towel underneath your knees just to make it a little bit easier on your knees. We are going to have our hands on the floor, about shoulder width apart, just a little under your shoulder, a little bit above the shoulder, just a tiny bit. And we're going to bring one leg back, opposite arm up, trying to stay in a straight line. Try to have your head in a neutral position so you're looking down at the floor or just slightly above. So we're gonna do 8 on each side. Ready? So trying to work on our balance here and coming back down. Going to the other side. Taking our time, coming back down. Other side, this is 2. And switching, going very slowly, and back down. 3. And down, other side, and down. This is 4. Coming down, other side, and down. 5. And down, other side, and down. This is 6. And down, other side, and down. 2 more on each side. This is 7. And down, other side, and down. Last one, this is 8. And down, other side. And back down. Excellent. So just sitting up for a second. We're gonna go right into our push-ups, taking a little bit of a break here, taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. So if you want, you can do the push-ups on the wall. If you really don't like the push-ups, then just grab some weights and you're gonna do the chest press instead, either in the chair or along on the floor. So there are definitely always options to getting stronger. There are some exercises I don't like, and I'm sure you feel the same way. So if you really don't like the push-ups or you're not quite ready to do those yet, definitely sit in the chair with a heavy weight, whatever weight you feel comfortable with, and just pressing overhead. For the rest of us, let's get into position. We're only doing 8. Okay, so on your knees or not, if you are ready to do it without being on your knees, that's okay. And let's go. So going down and up, that's 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7, last one, and 8. Excellent. And then we're going to be doing our plank. So again, let's take a bit of a break. Nice deep breath in and breathing out. So you might notice that you might have a bit of a harder time with the plank just because we just did the push-ups or the chest press, whichever one you chose to do. So you're gonna be a little bit more tired. That's normal. So we are going to aim for 50 seconds. If you can carry on and do 60 seconds, but our time today will be 50. Okay, let's get into position. And on the count of 5, we'll get started. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Trying to keep your abs tight. This is 5. So really thinking of a strong core here. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Bring your knees down if you want to stop there. Coming back up, taking a bit of a breather here because we are going to do a second set of push-ups. I know, yay! So again, if you really don't want to do them or if you're too tired, grab your weights and do the chest press instead. So taking a nice deep breath here and breathing out. Let's just swing the arms back and forth a little bit. Just stretch them back and forward, stretch back. And one more time, holding that stretch. Good, let's just roll the shoulders back. And let's just rotate the wrists as well. With the push-ups and the plank, it can sometimes be a little bit hard on the wrists. And going in the other direction. It will also help to strengthen the wrist though as well, so. Okay, we're ready. After this push-up, you don't have to do any more, so don't worry. Okay, getting into position. You can have your feet down or your feet up, whatever's more comfortable for you, and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, coming out of that. Good. Okay, so we're going to be getting off the floor. The rest will be standing exercises. We've only got 4 more. It's a short workout today. We are going to do the back row, so using a heavy weight, lifting up. Okay, taking a bit of a breather here. Let's just bring the arms back and forth. So picking a heavy weight here, our backs are strong, hips are back, weights are here, rowing up, holding briefly and coming back down. Okay, we're ready. Hips are back, weights are down. You can be down further if you want. It depends on what you're comfortable with. So let's go. We are going to aim for 15 today because we're not doing tons today. So let's aim for 15. If you need to change your weight because of 15, then go ahead and do so. And if you have to stop at 12, 13, whatever, that's fine too. You'll work up to 15. So let's go. So let's row up, squeeze that upper back, and slowly back down. And again, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5 more, 11, 12, 13, 14, and last one, and 15, and hold. And then very slowly bring that weight back down. And standing up straight, putting that heavy weight down, and we'll go right into the tricep kickbacks. So choosing a light weight. Let's do it for 20. So finding that weight that you think you can manage for 20 times. It should be getting hard towards the end of the 20 times. Okay, ready? So same position basically. Bring those arms up, and now you just bring that weight back. Let's go, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So stop when you need to. 12, 13, should be getting hard. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And standing up. Good. Let's just bring those shoulders back. All right, so we're going to do the bicep pulse. That's this one. And then the kickbacks again, and that's it. Okay, so let's get into position. Feet are shoulder width apart, bringing those hands up and starting to pulse. So we're just using a light weight here, that's all we want. And just going up and down. So right now it's probably easy, but it will start to get harder, as you know. So knees are soft. Taking a nice deep breath in when you can. Keep going. So I'm hoping that you're noticing quite a difference in your strength by now. You should be noticing a difference. And over the next several weeks, continue this and you will continue to see change and growth and results for sure. So keep going. You don't want to stop now. You've worked so hard. So even if you do the workout 3 times a week rather than 5, that's okay too. Do 2 leg days and an upper body day, or there's so many different options of what you can do. Keep going if you can. So when you need to stop this exercise, go ahead and stop. All right, let's relax the arms. They should feel a little bit like jelly right now. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. Okay, the last one, we're doing another set of kickbacks to really tire out those triceps. So getting back into position, it'll likely be the same weight. Change the weight if you need to get a lighter weight. And we're going to aim to do 15. Okay, ready? Hips are back, arms are up, kick back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really flex those triceps as you bring those hands back. This is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Excellent. And that's it. So if you want to get more out of that workout, you can do a set of chest press and flies. I'm trying to keep the time down for those who, I want you coming back instead of saying it's too long. I don't want to, then you'll not come back. So I'd rather have it short. You're doing some strengthening exercises and benefiting from it. So definitely do the chest press and the flies if you want to get a little bit more. Otherwise, we are going to stretch for now, and then you can do that after. Bringing the hands together, pressing the hands back, feeling that in your chest. Taking a nice deep breath in and breathing out. So your arms should definitely be a little bit jelly-like right now. Let's press the hands out to the sides. If they're not, then I would say increase the weight that you're using and make it a little bit more challenging. Let's turn the hands up and then just the fingers going down to feel that in the biceps. Bring the hands together. Let's just press the hands out front. Stretching the fingers as well. And then bringing one arm overhead, drop that hand behind, pressing that elbow back. And then switching to the other side. So arm goes up, drop that hand behind and press that elbow back. And then just swinging the arms back and forth with some control here, just stretch it back. And let's just do it one more time. Let's bring the arms overhead, deep breath in, big stretch here, and then bring the arms down. Let's do that one more time. So big stretch, really reaching the arms and feeling that throughout the arms, and back down. That's it, you're done. Done with day 22. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.